Lecture 44. Have you ever pondered about the concept of collective consciousness? Does it seem like a vast, unfathomable topic? Let's simplify it today. Collective consciousness, at its core, is a shared pool of knowledge, ideas, and beliefs. This is an invisible thread that weaves a single organism. These are general ideas, feelings, and thoughts. Now let's break this down into manageable pieces. When we dream, speculate, or make general plans, we are essentially synchronizing and expanding our consciousness. This process gives rise to motivating impulses. Even disparate cells exchange signals and experience pleasure from unification. The unconscious is not a being, but a thinking. It's the result of a natural fusion of neurons leading to insight. Our thoughts are streams of particles that motivate us. The source of our consciousness is particles moved by elements, without any special power. Meditation synchronizes, concentrates forces, but doesn't increase them. We always feel presence, even when our physical contours change. If our memory fails to provide an answer, or signals don't return, shock occurs. For instance, when a person loses a limb, the pain remains in the memory, and the brain continues to feel it until it adjusts to the new physical contours. It's not consciousness that we lose, but access to memory. Our consciousness plans, concentrates forces, and pauses. Everything else in the body occurs automatically, primarily along the chain from the breakdown of food. In a dying state, consciousness narrows to the contours of the brain and remains in a group of particles. These particles carry the path of evolution, the characteristics of perception, and the settings of the new organism. If new body doesn't allow consciousness to exhibit the necessary activity, the creature reaches genetic limits and shifts them for new births. Substances that influence instincts on consciousness can be considered narcotic. People with primitive thinking thank the instinct of preservation for peace with drugs, while those who think globally are encouraged for the sake of global balance. The body is not accustomed to large doses. They cause strong emotions but lead not to development, but to degradation of consciousness.